Hello Year 4, it's Mrs Henderson. I'm here at home and have a look at this. I have got our next half term's class read book to share with you. So this is Cloudbusting, and this is one of my favourite books of the year, I have to say, and it's by a lady called Mallory Blackman. And it's no ordinary book because this book is actually a book of poetry, but not perhaps as you know it. So first things first, if you haven't already, get yourself an Audible account. They're completely free. You might need a mum or dad or parent to help you log on. There's not so many readings of this I can find at the minute on YouTube. I'll try and do a few myself, but if you can get a hold of the book as well, that would be great, and then you can read along with me at the same time. Just to let you know, Barker is here and Juno is also here. Hopefully they'll keep nice and quiet because they do like a good read. I'm going to start with chapter 1. Just to let you know, this book has lots and lots of chapters. And this first one's quite short, and it's called Mr. Mackey. So get comfy. I've got my slippers on. And let's get going. Mr. Mackey said, write a poem about someone near to you, dear to you. A pet, a family member, a friend. Funny, I thought, how pets come first. That's your homework, said Mr. Mackey, and the whole class groaned, except me. But poems are hard, sir. Poems are boring. Poems are for old people. Poems are for boring old people. No one reads poetry unless their teacher makes them. No one likes poetry except for poets, or those that don't have much of a life. And Mr. Mackey said, enough! And we all went quiet, because Mr. Mackey sure can shout. Then Mr. Mackey said, hands up those who like rap music. And me and some others, we put our hands up. Hands up those who like pop music. And me and most of the others, we put our hands up. Hands up those who like classical music. And me and almost everyone kept our hands down. Except for Oliver. Only Oliver put his hand up. But then he would. And Mr. Mackey said, rap, pop music, punk, rock music, they have words. And the words are poetry, set to music. That's all. What about classical music? Asked Oliver. But then he would. Classical music creates poetry in your mind, and in your heart, and in your soul. Even if there are no words being sung or spoken, it still creates poetry inside you. And we all went quiet. Thinking, and the strange thing is, no one laughed. Mr. Mackey smiled. Any questions? Hands shot up. Does it have to rhyme, sir? No. How do we start, sir? With whatever comes into your head. Just let it out. Don't hold back. Don't stop yourselves. Don't censor yourselves. Let your words flow like a mountain stream. Like a babbling brook, like a raging river, like a tidal wave, a tsunami, like a cosmic wave, moving between galaxies, like a, and we all groaned, because Mr. Mackey was off like a racehorse, running his own race. Just running 'cause it can, running to hear its hooves pound the ground, just running for love and pleasure. Sir, can I write about my dog, my cat, my goldfish? Yes. Sir, can I write about my computer, my skateboard, Jaws, my teddy bear? No. I put my hand up. Sir, can I write about Davy? The class went very still, very quiet. My face began to burn hot, then burn cold. Yes, Sam, you do that, said Mr. Mackey after the longest pause. Write about Dave. What do you want to write about him for? That was Alex, talking at me, frowning at me. Davy made him feel nervous, uncomfortable, uneasy, because of what he did. Even though Davy isn't here anymore, he still has the power to make people uncomfortable, uneasy, to remember. I didn't answer. My ex-best friend, Alex. What could I say? I want to write about Davy because Mum says you don't miss the water till the well turns dry. I want to write about Davy because when he was here I never gave him a second thought. I want to write about Davy because now he's gone. I can't get him out of my head, and I never thought I would. But I miss him, there. I admit it. He's gone. And it's his fault. The fault of the class idiot, the class bully. And now I miss him, not the class idiot. He's gone too, and I don't miss him one bit. I miss Davy. His name was Davy. Dave Youngson. But everyone called him Busy Feet. And Year 4, that's the end of chapter 1. This is the start of chapter 2. I'll let you see the picture. And luckily enough, all is still quiet in Mrs. Henderson's house. I hope you've enjoyed that. It was great to spend some time with you. Pop your little comments below and let me know how you're getting on with our class read. I hopefully will see you soon. Bye bye.